What if you visited every planet in our solar system? Spoiler, you wouldn't last long. Each one offers a unique and horrifying way to meet your end. From being crushed by invisible forces to suffocating in clouds of acid, every world is a death trap in its own way. Let's explore what it would really feel like to die on every planet. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a world of extremes. During the day, temperatures soar to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to bake you alive. But step into the shadow and you'll freeze instantly at negative 330 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 170 degrees Celsius. Mercury has no atmosphere to spread the heat around, leaving you exposed to deadly solar radiation. Oh, and without oxygen, you'd suffocate almost immediately. You wouldn't last a minute. Venus is the ultimate death trap. Imagine stepping into an oven that's 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But it gets worse. The atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, creating a crushing pressure 90 times stronger than Earth's. That's like being a mile underwater. As if that weren't enough, the skies rain sulfuric acid. You'd be flattened, fried, and dissolved, all within seconds. Earth is the only planet where you can actually survive, at least for now. But even here, death can come in many forms. Volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, earthquakes, or even just the everyday dangers of nature. Compared to the rest of the solar system, though, Earth is a paradise. Let's see how long that feeling lasts. Mars might seem like the next best option for humans, but don't let those reddish deserts fool you. The air is 95% carbon dioxide, so you'd suffocate within moments. Temperatures average minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 60 degrees Celsius, so you'd freeze while gasping for breath. And the thin atmosphere offers no protection from solar radiation, which means you'd get a lethal dose of cosmic rays before you could even enjoy the view. Mars is beautiful, but deadly. Jupiter isn't solid, so there's no ground to stand on. If you tried to land, you'd fall straight into a massive storm system, including the Great Red Spot, a hurricane 3 times the size of Earth. The deeper you go, the atmospheric pressure skyrockets, crushing you like a tin can. Even before that, the intense radiation from Jupiter's magnetic field would cook you alive. There's no way out. Saturn might look serene with its iconic rings, but stepping into its atmosphere is just as deadly as Jupiter. You'd fall endlessly through thick layers of gas, facing hurricane-force winds and increasing pressure. The deeper you go, the denser the atmosphere becomes until you're squished into oblivion. It's a beautiful place, but only from afar. Uranus is deceptive. Its pale blue color hides a chaotic atmosphere of icy clouds and supersonic winds. You'd suffocate instantly in the methane-heavy air, and the freezing temperatures of negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 220 degrees Celsius would turn your body into an ice block. But the real kicker? You'd likely be torn apart by winds moving faster than the speed of sound. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is a frigid nightmare. The winds here are the fastest in the solar system, reaching 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of a jet plane. These winds would shred you apart while you froze in the planet's icy atmosphere. Neptune's beauty is as brutal as it is breathtaking. And there you have it, the many horrifying ways to die on every planet. Earth might not be perfect, but it's the only planet where life and death are at least survivable.